Today we will discuss fourth lesson, living and non-living. Okay. Already we learned children non-living and living differences. Today we will discuss more differences living and non-living. Okay. In previous class we learned living things are grow. Living things are grow and move. Yes, these two differences in previous class we learned. Okay, today we will discuss living things need food. Living things need food. Say children, sometimes you feel hungry. Yes, sometimes you can feel hungry. You cannot wait for lunch or dinner. You can serve yourself. Yes, మీకు బాగా హంగ్రీగా ఉంటే మీ అంతటా మీరే సర్వ్ చేసుకొని లంచ్ తింటారు, అవునా? ఎస్, ఫీల్ హంగ్రీ. యూ కెన్ that you cannot wait for lunch and dinner to be served. Okay, you need food. Yes, you need food. Okay, see children, your toys, teddy bear, toys, teddy bear, teddy bears, some toys, these toys are need food. Toys, some toys, car, teddy bears. Okay, these toys need food? No. Yes, no. Why? It's not a living thing. It's not a living thing. Only living things are need food. Only living things are need food. Toys, teddy bears, these are the non-living things. These toys no need food. Ever no need food. Yes, why not need food, don't need food? These are the non-living things. Okay, we need food to grow and live. Okay, to grow and live. But non-living things are not grow. Non-living things are the grow? No, non-living things are the not grow. These are the no need food. Yes, non-living things are not grow. These non-living things are don't need food. Don't need food. Only living things are need food to grow and live. Only living things are need food and to grow and live. Grow and live. For examples of living things, children, animals. Yes, animals need food. Yes, animals need food. These animals get their food from plants and other animals. Already. Okay, animals food, plants and other animals. Okay, animals get own. Yes, get their food from plants and animals itself, and plants also. Plants make their food. Plants make their food with help of air, water and sunlight. And plants also living things, animals also living things. Yes, human beings also need food. Yes, human beings means already mans. Okay, human beings also need food. Human beings also non-living things need food. Yes, animals need food, get their food from plants and other animals. Yes, next, plants. Plants also make their food warm with the help of air, water and sunlight. Next, human beings also need food. Okay, does your toys, dolls need food? No, it does not. It is not living thing. It is not living thing. Doll ever not need food. ఎప్పటికీ ఫుడ్ తినలేదు. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ నాన్ లివింగ్ థింగ్. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, ఓన్లీ లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ నీడ్ ఫుడ్. ఓన్లీ లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ నీడ్ food. It is a one difference. Living things are grow, living things are move, and living things need food. Living things need food. Okay, next difference, living things feel. Living things feel. Living things feel. You can do, children, sometimes you can do crying, next laugh and happy, you are being happy, next sad. Okay, we can do these types, crying, laughing, happy, sad. Okay, you can feel angry. Okay, you can feel angry, you can feel hungry, you can feel hungry, and you can feel pain also. Yes, మనకి ఏదైనా ఇంజురీ అయినప్పుడు అప్పుడు పెయిన్ తెలుస్తుంది కదా. యూ కెన్ ఫీల్ దీస్ ఆల్ ది యూ కెన్ ఫీల్ యాంగ్రీ, హంగ్రీ, క్రై, లాఫ్. యూ కెన్ డూ దీస్ వన్స్. ఎస్, యాంగ్రీ, హంగ్రీ, క్రై, పెయిన్, లాఫ్, హ్యాపీ, సాడ్. ఓకే, యూ కెన్ డూ దీస్. ఎస్, బట్ దీస్ ఫీల్స్ non-living things, or you can non-living things can do? No, non-living things. You can, for example, teddy bear are cry? No. Laugh? No. Hungry? ఆకలేస్తుందా తనకి? No. Okay, you can throw the teddy bear on the floor. It's a angry. Teddy bear is a cry? No, it is a non-living things. Non-living things are cannot feel. You can understand, children? Living things can feel. Non-living things are cannot feel. For example, teddy bear. Okay, if you throw them on the floor, they are cry? No. Laugh? No. It's hungry? No. It is a pain వస్తుందా తనకి టెడ్డీ బేర్కి? You can throw the floor. It's amma pain. No, it's like no. Why? It is a non-living thing. It's a non-living thing. You can understand, children, differences between living things and non-living things. You can understand? Yes, living things are grow, living things are they move, and living things are need food, and living things are can feel. Yes, మనకి పెయిన్ వచ్చినా, ఇంజూర్ అయినా, అబ్బా పెయిన్ వస్తుంది, నాకు ఇక్కడ పెయిన్ వస్తుంది, లేదా మనకి ఎప్పుడైనా ఎంజాయ్ చేయాలి పార్టీ అన్నప్పుడు యూ కెన్ సో హ్యాపీ. మనకి ఏదైనా బాధ కలిగినా, మనం ఏదైనా ఎక్కడ గేమ్లో ఓడిపోయినా మనం సాడ్గా ఫీల్ అవుతాం. ఎస్, బాగా ఏమైనా కామెడీ వచ్చినప్పుడు మనం లాఫ్ చేస్తాం. ఎస్, మనకి ఏమైనా కావాలి అన్నప్పుడు, మన పేరెంట్స్ ఇవ్వనప్పుడు మనం ఏడుస్తామా, క్రై చేస్తామా? ఎస్. యాంగ్రీ, మనకి ఎవరైనా ఏదన్నా అన్నప్పుడు కోపం వస్తుందా? ఎస్. అండ్ హంగ్రీ, మనకి కరెక్ట్ టైంకి ఆకలి అవుతుంది కదా? ఎస్. మనకి ఏదైనా గేమ్స్ ఆడేటప్పుడు మనకి ఏమైనా ఇంజ్యూరీ అయితే మనకి పెయిన్ వస్తుంది కదా. ఎస్, లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ ది ఫీల్. నాన్ లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ ది కెన్ డూ దిస్. నాన్ లివింగ్ థింగ్స్, టెడ్డీ బేర్ డూ దిస్ యాంగ్రీ, క్రై, లాఫ్, హ్యాపీ, sad moments. These moments do the non-living things? No. Yes, living things only you can, these moments only do living things. Living things can feel. Yes, can you understand? Yes. Non-living things are the do not grow, non-living things are the do not move, and non-living things do not need food, and non-living things are the cannot feel. Only living things are the do, grow, move, need food and feel. Okay children, you understand children? Living things are need food and living things are they feel. Here see, humans are need food, animals also need food, and living things are they can feel pain. Yes, any injury you can feel pain. Yes. Next children, here in textbook page number 37, oral questions are there in your textbook page number 37. Choose the correct answer. Read children, can you read the 3 correct, tick the correct answers, tick this correct option. Okay na, you can read 3 bits and you can tick which is the correct answer. You can tick and send my WhatsApp number. Okay children, thank you.